What happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? What if just 30 minutes a day could transform your life? Running isn't just exercise, it's a doorway to a healthier, happier you. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible changes your body experiences when you lace up your shoes and hit the ground running. Running boosts your heart health, improving blood circulation and lowering your risk of disease. It strengthens your muscles, joints, and bones, keeping your body strong and mobile. Daily runs torch calories, improve endurance, and help you shed extra weight, making you feel lighter, faster, and more confident. It's not just your body that benefits, your mind does too. Running triggers endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that fight stress and anxiety. It sharpens your focus, improves your sleep, and fosters a positive outlook, helping you show up stronger every day, both physically and emotionally. Committing to a daily run builds discipline and momentum. Small changes like this create ripple effects, healthier eating, better routines, and a deeper connection with your goals. Over time, you'll notice how this simple ritual transforms not just your body, but also your mindset and lifestyle. Your journey to a healthier, rejuvenated you begins with a single step. Commit to 30 minutes daily. It's a gift only you can give yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and feel the amazing transformation one day at a time. Lace up, step out, and run towards a better tomorrow.